Hello and welcome back. Today we will focus on doing the pull replenishment, and I'll just walk you through the theory first and then we'll do that in the application. So the first one, this is our regular typical warehouse that I've been using as a reference. So this is my case picking. I've been doing this case to a stage transfer for the normal sales order. In this current setting, I have a quantity here 50 units, right? So I'm going to take an order of 100. Suppose then this 50 will get allocated and the remaining 50 will get back ordered. That's what in general will happen because you don't have sufficient quantity in forward peak location. Now, in order to avoid this back ordering of the remaining 50 quantity, we have an option to replenish this case while there's a sales order is on the release status. Then you can get the remaining 50 from bulk to case. That's the replenishment, and then you do the remaining 50 movement from case to a stage. So this kind of transaction is which is sales order driven replenishment is called pull replenishment. So I'm going to try this and show you in the system how pull replenishment in real time, in the real time, in the sense on the sales order. So if there is no sales order, there is no replenishment. Whereas you have seen the min-max replenishment, it's independent of, it can consider sales order, but typically it works on the min and max level set at the case level. So which is the like time based, typically you do min-max replenishment. Now sales order based replenishment, typically in warehouse we try to avoid this, but when you have trade off like not doing pull replenishment and losing the getting a back order status on the sales order, that's also not a desired state, right? So what we suggest is that in case such situation where you have material in bulk whereas you don't have in case, then last resort would be the pull replenishment. So I'm going to try this just to repeat the scenario again. In the case sub inventory, I have a quantity of 50, and this can go to a stage provided we have a sales order of 50. But since I have a sales order of 100, so the remaining 50 will come from bulk in the form of a replenishment. So when I do go ahead and release the sales order, then you will see the first transaction goes through like a normal picking process, and there's a one more transaction open for this movement. That's another task, replenishment task. And once the replenishment task is completed, one more picking task will be created to complete the picking movement to staging. So it's a little longer process, so we have to patiently go through the step by step to understand each one of them. So stay tuned for the next video where I walk you through the scenario in the system. Thank you very much for watching.